Hello everyone, my name is Procheta Mallik. I'm one of the co-founders of ThinkTac. Over the last 5 years, one of the things that we've done in detail is create competency-based education workbooks. These have been inspired by the need in India for case-based study questions, as well as various things in the NEP recommending that that's how our assessment should move. So we were even approached by CBSE to write 10 books in science and maths for 6th to 10th standard case-based questions and competency-based education workbooks. Over the last, between 2020 and 23, that is what we did. And over the last couple of years, we've been implementing this in schools and classrooms and reaching out with them to as many people as possible in India. These books are also published on the CBSE website, so they're available on the website. And we have print editions here, which are available through ThinkTac on our website or by contacting us. And the advantage with the workbooks is that you already have a print edition ready, and they also contain the solved example and the technique to solve the questions that are there inside. So each book in science and maths is divided into 7 themes, the 7 most relevant and important themes for that particular grade, and 2 to 3 case studies in each theme with 3 to 4 questions. So there's more than 1,000 questions in these 10 books, and I'm sure it will be very valuable for children and as well as teachers to study competency-based education techniques and workbook examples for children in middle and high school. So this is ThinkTac's CBE workbooks. So as you can see, we have the whole huge selection here, a sample that's kept here for this science books that are there in this orangish color, and the purple theme for maths. And here I have the 10th science and 7th maths with me. There's also 6th and 9th over here. And once I open the book, you'll be able to see things like, of course, there's the foreword and CBSE and ThinkTac's preface and foreword. And then there are the acknowledgements followed by the content page. And then we enter the themes right away. So for example, here's metals and non-metals in 10th standard chemistry. And there's a case study, there's an introduction, an icebreaker followed by a case study, and then questions with the answer boxes and all available for the children to put in their answers, etc. So this is how the book is designed. In the science book, you will find that after this, we talk about the technique to solve each question. And we are calling that GOAL, which is gather, organize, apply an answer, and learn. So those are the kind of 4 steps to deal with each case study question. And then we start with the first theme that I showed you is actually, we have solved it using that technique. So out of the 7 themes, the first theme is also solved. And that's all new for what's there in the print edition compared to what's there online, where you can get the same 7 themes, but you won't be able to get the technique or the solved examples. The same with the maths. The maths book is designed in the same way with 7 themes, the technique, the goal technique, and here the solved examples put at the end of the book, and it's for the first chapter, for the first theme that's talked about. So that's how the books are designed. We are talking about here mainly PISA's literacy. PISA is a program of international student assessment, which is one of the reasons why these books were taken up, because India has participated in PISA only once and didn't fare well. So after 15 years, there's a push to try and apply for this program for international student assessment, which is taken for 15-year-olds throughout the world. And it tests competencies. So it moves away from trying to learn things in a rote fashion and learning things conceptually with clear understanding. So the clear, scientific literacies that are there in PISA are evaluate and design scientific inquiry, a very important part. There's also explain phenomena scientifically and interpret data and evidence scientifically. So these are the core 3 scientific literacy competencies that we try to bring out through these books. So each question will probably fall into one of these three categories, and over the course of the book you cover all the three main scientific competencies quite rigorously. Similarly with maths, how to formulate a problem from a real life context to uh, to uh, to a mathematical problem, then solve that problem. So there's a solving part. Then you have to evaluate the solution, which again takes it back to the real world, and then interpret the solution. So whether you apply to make any changes in the case that you have been given, or in any real life situation in the world. So that is the premise of these books. We look at real life, actual case studies, which will make children be able to connect quite easily with phenomena they see around the world, and serendipitously they're also learning what they've been taught in the classroom, but all through a hands-on way. And we hope you enjoy these books. So please feel free to connect with us. Go to our website. In the competency-based education workbooks are available on our website as well. You can order them there or connect with us. We'll be happy to send you copies. These are nice color editions which have the solved example techniques as well as the goal technique described there, and of course the entire end-to-end, including the exploration pathways. After each chapter you can go and do your hands-on activities as well. So feel free to pick these up from the website or connect with us, and we'll be happy to send you copies. Thank you.